So let's solve this. The roots of this equation are alpha and beta. We are asked to find the value of x squared plus beta squared plus 2 over 9. Here are the options. If you were given this to solve, how would you have solved it? Let's do it together, step by step. Now, the first thing you need to do is to identify a here is 3, b is minus 1, the coefficient of x is minus 1, then c is minus 1 as well. A is 3, minus 1 and minus 1. Now, the sum of roots, if you add these roots, that's sum of root alpha plus beta, is given to be minus b all over a. It has been established. So minus b over a. Now, if you check closely, our b is minus 1, so minus into minus 1, since this has minus and b is minus 1, our a here is what? 3. So alpha plus beta sum of root is what? Minus, and minus is plus, that's 1 over 3. The next thing you need to do is to find the product of root, that's alpha beta. Alpha beta is given to be c over a. So c is minus 1, a is what? 3. That means sum of root, which is alpha beta, is what? Minus 1 over 3. So we go back to this one, alpha squared plus beta squared. Now, alpha squared plus beta squared has an expression and is given to be this, alpha squared plus beta squared is given to be alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta. This is a proven expression. We just need to fix things up. Now we are fine. So alpha plus beta, which is alpha plus beta, 1 over 3, and it's what? Squared, minus 2 alpha beta, which is product of roots, which is minus 1 over 3. Now if you solve this closely, we need to claim this to have space. 1 over 3 squared, that will 1 over 9, then minus minus the minus here is plus, so plus 2 into 1 over 3. What do you have there? 1 over 9 plus 2 over 3. So now here the LCM is 3 and this is 9. 9 divided by 3, that is 3. 3 times 2, 6. Here divided by this is 1 times this is this. So 1 plus 6, that is 7. 7 all over 9 is the value of alpha squared plus beta squared. But now we will add it to 2 over 9. Now we have gotten alpha squared beta squared. We now have to add this expression, which is 7 over 9, to this. So 7 over 9 plus 2 over 9. Since they have the same, 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 divided by 9 is positive 1. And D is correct. For more of this, subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.